Sawadee krap and Sabadi Minecraft. Welcome to another episode of the Boxing King, where we unbox all the tech gadgets for you. And let's see what we have today. Ooh, looks like we have the Vivo S1 Pro. But before that, let's cue to the intro. Welcome back, and as usual, you know the drill. Let's buka kotak. Ooh. So, let's see. Inside the box, we have the jelly case and the SIM pin too, and also the Type A to Type C cable. And that's all for the top part. And now, the phone. Charging brick, and also an earphone. So now, box ke tepi. Let's look into the phone. So, you guys had seen a round rear camera setup, a square rear camera setup, a rectangular camera setup, but have you guys seen a diamond cut edge camera setup? No, right? Today we have one. Ta-da! Look at the rear camera diamond shape. This is inspired by the elegancy of the diamond cutting. And also when you're charging, right, you also can see a diamond shaped charging indicator for you on the screen. So now let's look into the colors. So the color, it comes with two colors. It has a night black and also the one that I'm holding here, the fancy sky. Isn't it cool? And on the back we can see it is a quad camera setup, which is a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel macro lens. Now let's look into the front. It has a 6.38 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and a small selfie camera notch, which is a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And also it comes with a guide pose, so whenever you do your selfie, you don't need to think about posing because it has a posing guide for you and teach you how to pose to make the best out of your selfie pictures. Okay, sudah siap tengok gambar kan? Super lancang right ni. Okay, quit playing. Now let's look into the chipset. This phone comes with a 665 Snapdragon chipset and also a 8GB RAM and 128GB storage capacity. And if you're not satisfied with the storage, you still can add up to 256GB of storage space into the hybrid SIM slot. And for the battery life, it has a 4500 mAh battery capacity with a 18W fast charge. So I think you can play this phone from day to night. So overall, I feel that this phone is quite a good phone for those who want a simple and also an elegant, different, unique type of design phone, because this diamond shape cutting is really unique. You can't find this design on any other phone. So with this price of 1,199 ringgit and the tech specs that this phone offered, I feel that it's pretty decent and good phone for you. So I think that's all for today. But hey, you know the drill. So director, what's the challenge today?
No challenge for you today.
What?
Because I need to prepare for the next one.
Ooh, so I think the next one will be quite challenging, huh? Okay lah. So I think that's all for today. I hope you liked the Boxing King, and I'm Boxer J. We'll see you next time.